Well, we're off to exploring the island a little bit. As we can't sail with the engine still being repaired, we are renting a taxi behind us and exploring the island for the entire day. $200 US, I think, for the 5 of us. He's going to be our chauffeur all day. So let's go. Let's see what the island has to offer.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky, so clear. Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this, let's hold on tight. We got stars outside and it feels just right. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. My heart beats fast when we're moving slow. Just one touch sends me out of control. Whatever you do, baby, don't let go. Just don't let go. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. Ooh, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight.
Say it again, what's the name of the village?
Anse La Raye. It's called Anse La Raye. It's a fishing village.
Not very big.
Not very big, but it's a fishing village.
What's the majority of fish that they catch?
Well, they catch a very amount of fish. They go close to Martinique sometimes.
Yeah.
Or close to St. Vincent to the south. Martinique is more to the north. St. Vincent is more to the south.
Like that needs, the tower needs some work.
Yeah, but don't worry about the outside.
It's inside, it's beautiful. Here's the village from the ocean side. Beautiful, you can see it's a fishing village. towards us.
Go. Welcome. We're glad that you are here today. We do hope that you enjoy your stay at St. Lucia Island. We are kind, warm and friendly. Feel the move. You are a safe island. At St. Lucia Island we catch very beautiful fish. Feel the move. You are a safe island. And welcome once again.
Thank you.
Can we take her home?
Ah!
No,
nice.
it looks like she belongs to someone.
A nice goat meat.
Take a breath, open your eyes. It's a beautiful life. Take a step, arms out wide into the sunlight. Do you see what I see? There's a glow all around. I can feel it in the air, it's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours. Every moment frozen in time, little pieces of light. Over mountains, through the valleys, all that's in between. As long as you're here with me. Do you feel what I feel? There's a song all around us. I can hear it in the air. It's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours. We can go anywhere, forever caught in the feeling. Follow the road where it's leading, forever caught in the feeling. We can go anywhere. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is
Not sure if you can see it, there's steam coming out of there and there. Sulfur volcano here on St. Lucia. Smells nice. Mmm, yummy. Definitely different. The smell, the aroma.
Don't you want to live out your wildest dreams? 'Cause right now we've got everything that we need. No time to waste, no better place to be. 'Cause we could wander as far as the eye can see. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown.
Sulfide is poisonous, but the concentration here it's very low. That's why it smells like rotten eggs. Okay? Like Fowler Aya. That's all I can say.
Fowler Aya. That's it. You got
If there is no smell, that means the concentration of the gas is high. At a higher concentration, you don't smell it, it becomes odorless. So it takes away oxygen, paralyzing the respiratory system, like Vesuvius in Pompeii. So we have quartz is general, right? Quartz, crystals, silica, agates, obsidian. No diamonds, no gold. That's the piece we order.
So apparently the water here is 45 degrees. So let's see. Wow. Das war ganz schön heiß. Das ist nicht nice. Very hot. Wow. Is it cooler? Don't fall in. Nur anlangen.
Imagine the places we'll see from LA to Tokyo. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost.
Hot.
Let's get lost.
Eine.
I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be.
Hear it.
Life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown.
Habe ja nicht zugehört.